Slime. And
this is Farm Kids Kitchen.
Today we're picking brambles, wild brambles, and we are going to go back to the kitchen and make something with them. You need to always pick the black ones like this instead of the red ones here, because the red ones aren't white. So the birds can't get them. Louisa, I found massive ones. We've got enough brambles to make goodies in the kitchen and to fill our tummies.
What are we making today, Ryan?
Today we're making sponge cake. For this recipe we'll need 225 grams of caster sugar
And 220 grams of self-raising flour.
We need 225 grams of butter
And 4 eggs.
I never meant like 308. I do it. Today we're using hen's eggs.
And did you know hens can only lay 1 egg a day?
Smash it off it. Smash it even harder. Now we need to mix all the ingredients in a big bowl. Let's get all the sugar right together. All up mixture.
Next we need to make the bottom of the kitchen.
With the grease-proof paper, draw around the bottom of your cake tin.
And ask to add it to help you to cut with scissors around.
Divide the mixture into 2
20 centimeter chips.
Ta-da! That looks like half. That looks like half. Oh! Look at height.
cakes are in the oven.
We have mixed the ice.
Need 225 grams of icing sugar.
And we will need 100 grams of butter.
We're also gonna add
A half of vanilla ice.
he picks these brambles at the farm. Let's put it in together. Let's put it in together. Go! Oh! That's all good now. Mix. Let's mash it up. Stop mashing it.
This is how we check. The cakes are ready. You need to use a skewer. And the cakes are ready. The skewer should come out. The cakes are cool.
So we can put the icing on one of them. Hold the bowl up.
Now we're going to put the cake onto the other cake.
For the final touch, we'll
Will be
put some
icing sugar on it. But use a cinnamon roll, which is cinnamon.
Best bit is the tasting.